upbeat music playing. Hey, bye Smart Fam! Welcome back to another episode where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Because, let's face it, who wants to waste their hard-earned cash on a dud? Today, we've got a battle of the bots. In the left corner, weighing in at a price tag of $549, we have the Shark AV2501S Ultra Robot Vacuum, or as I like to call it, Sharky. And in the right corner, at $599, we've got the Roborock Q5 Max Plus, aka Rocky. Let's dive in and see which one of these robo-cleaners is worth your dough. First up, suction power. Sharky boasts incredible suction that tackles dirt and debris like it's auditioning for a vacuum cleaner Olympics. Amazon reviewers have praised its ability to handle both carpet and tile effectively. But Rocky over here flexes with a whopping 5,500 PA Hyperforce suction power. That's like comparing a vacuum to a black hole. According to reviewers, Rocky's suction is exceptional, picking up fine dust and dirt effortlessly. Round 1 goes to Rocky. Next, let's talk about the lazy person's dream, self-emptying bases. Sharky's got a bagless, self-emptying base that holds up to 30 days of dirt and debris. Perfect if you're a procrastinator like me. Reviewers love its convenience, though some wish the base had a larger capacity. But wait, Rocky's got TWO 2.5L dust bags that can last up to 7 weeks, and reviewers appreciate the extended hands-free period. Rocky wins again. Now for navigation. Sharky's got Matrix Clean Navigation with 360 degrees LiDAR vision. It's like having a robot with a PhD in geography, and reviewers are impressed by its precise mapping. But then, Rocky comes in with its PreciSense LiDAR navigation system creating detailed 3D maps. It's like Sharky went to college, but Rocky built the college. Reviewers agree that Rocky's navigation is top-notch. Sorry, Sharky, Rocky's got this one too. Moving on to runtime, Sharky offers up to 120 minutes of cleaning, which is pretty solid. Reviewers note that it's enough for most homes. But Rocky, being the overachiever, gives you a staggering 240 minutes. That's 4 hours, folks! Reviewers love the extended cleaning time, especially for larger homes. Another point to Rocky. For all you pet parents out there, Sharky claims to be perfect for homes with pets. It's got a self-cleaning brush roll and HEPA filtration to capture all that pet hair, dust, and dander. Reviewers with pets find it particularly effective. Rocky also does a fantastic job with its duo roller brush and powerful suction. Reviewers highlight its efficiency in dealing with pet hair. This one's a tie because, let's face it, both of these vacuums are better at dealing with pet hair than my lint roller collection. Last but not least, let's talk smart features. Both Sharky and Rocky offer hands-free control via Alexa and Google Assistant. But Rocky also syncs with Apple Siri, making it the ultimate teacher's pet in the smart home ecosystem. Reviewers appreciate this added flexibility. Another point for Rocky. Overall, both Shark AV2501S Ultra Robot Vacuum and Roborock Q5 Max Plus Robot Vacuum receive high praise from reviewers. Sharky is commended for its strong suction, effective pet hair management, and convenience, though there's a call for improvements in mapping and base capacity. Rocky, on the other hand, is lauded for its exceptional suction power, extended runtime, and superior navigation, with minor issues noted in handling larger debris. Both are considered excellent choices, with Rocky slightly edging out in terms of advanced features. So there you have it, folks. Rocky absolutely crushed it in this battle of the bots. But remember, it's not just about the numbers. If you're looking for a slightly cheaper option that still does a fantastic job, Sharky's your guy. But if you want the creme de la creme and don't mind spending a bit more, Rocky is the way to go. Thanks for tuning in, Bye Smart Fam. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another product showdown. Drop a comment below on which vacuum you'd pick, and as always, stay smart, stay savvy, and happy shopping. Upbeat music playing, end screen with subscribe button and previous video suggestions.